Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video here on XRP. Your daily updates. We'll talk about XRP right here. We will mostly talk about the technicals. I mean, fundamentally, obviously, but we've talked about it already in the last two videos as well. Obviously, the inauguration of Trump is coming up, so that could serve as a bullish catalyst for XRP. And I think in general, the bullish momentum we've seen since Wednesday is also a byproduct of that. But at the moment, I do think that, at least for now, it could return a little bit later as well. But at least for now, we've actually seen the momentum coming from that already. And the momentum has actually stopped increasing for a bit. And that's interesting because XRP, and we talked about that yesterday as well, what we expected is that we could get into the top of the range, which I think we have reached. Purely technically, you could say it's between 2.5 and 2.6, and I do think we actually have a chance to still get into that level as well, right? So I'm not telling you that this is a top. At the moment, it actually looks quite likely still. Not specifically if you look at XRP, because XRP is actually losing, well, like I said, the leverage or the momentum is stalling, and we even saw the momentum drop down a little bit this morning. So XRP on its own at the moment is not looking good enough to break out. And you can also see that the volume has dropped down 40%. So this move was nice, but breaking out above 2.6, 2.5, I don't expect. Why I think we could still spike up in there is because I think Bitcoin actually still looks fine to get a move up. All right, and we all know, I mean, at the moment as well, a lot of altcoins are dependent and are correlated to what Bitcoin does. Right, so that's why if I look at XRP right now, I do think, first of all, I'm quite bullish on XRP right now. I mean, XRP and XLM, which I will also cover this morning, are quite strong, and I do think we will get a chance to actually get a breakout out of this range later in January or February, perhaps. But for now, I think it's most likely that the market could drag us up there. But to break out above a level like this, like the last time we tried it was the 17th of December, and the volume back then was about $19 billion, all right? So 3 times the volume right now, and you need that volume, all right? You need that volume, you need that leverage momentum, and we are losing both right now. So what I would expect is something like this, all right? So that we will, like I said, the market could drag us up into that level, but from there I do expect resistance, and then I expect us to drop back down into lower levels, aiming for probably 2.25. That's a strong support level. After that, 2.2 and 2.15. And then I'm not sure if I already talked about this, but most of you, if you watch my videos daily, which I post XRP updates daily, what you know is that I think XRP has mostly been consolidating right here between 2.5 and then the bottom of the range, the value area low at this point of time is 2.15. So what I expect is that we will slowly drop down into that level, depending on Bitcoin. I mean, we could still stay up here for quite a bit if Bitcoin remains strong and gets up to 99,000. But ultimately, like I said, if the volume doesn't change, we won't break out. But then I also do think, and that is also one of the main things that makes me technically or structurally bullish on XRP, I do think this range will hold. All right, so that means if you look at the daily time frame, that means that we're consolidating near the top. All right, and now we're talking a little bit more long term, this is ultimately going to lead to a continuation in my eyes. So it's waiting for that, so we have to be patient, but that's also a great virtue. But those are my thoughts for right now on XRP. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.